Assalamualaikum, my name is Pakiza and I'm the student of class 10 in Indus Model Girls Higher Secondary School, Mari Indus. And we are from Innovator Group and they both are my friends and they include in my group. So, Assalamualaikum guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi Fatma.
Hi, Pakita. How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm good.
Hey Zara.
Hey, Pakita.
How are you?
I'm fine. What's for you?
I'm also fine. Guys, our exam will be ended. So what you think that? What you do after that?
I think I will just sleep all day.
But why?
Because I am so tired of studying.
That's true because we all are very tired.
What about you, Pakita?
I don't do nothing.
Oh.
What you do, Fatma?
I will say cricket. Oh, wait. Maybe I will go to park.
That's great. Guys, I think we will go outside. We will make a plan for that.
I think it will snow next week.
Yes, I love snow fun.
Then we will go to Mari.
That's great.
That's a good idea.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Do you also agree?
Yeah, I also agree.
Okay. Which time we meet?
At 9 a.m. No, we will meet on bus stand at 10 a.m.
Yes, that's great. We will meet at bus stand at 10
Then
a.m.
you will also call Aisha and tell about it.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. I call here. Hello, Aisha. How are you? I'm fine. What's about you? Aisha, we make a plan because our examination will be ended, so we make a plan to go outside for Madi. Do you agree? Please come with us. We enjoy a lot. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I tell you time. We will meet at 10 a.m. at the best time. Okay, nice. Don't be late. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.
What Aisha say?
Aisha said that she will come
Oh,
at the
nice.
best time.
Nice. That's great.
Yes. So, Zara, I tell you, don't be late.
Yeah. I
Okay.
will come at this time.
Inshallah, we will meet at 10 a.m. at the bus stand.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz. Nice to meet you.